Welcome to the Exam Sale channel, where we dive into the details of various exams to help you prepare. In this video, we'll be exploring the syllabus of the Cisco Securing Networks with Cisco Firepower exam, also known as 300-710 SNCF. The 300-710 SNCF exam is divided into 4 domains: deployment, configuration, management and troubleshooting, and integration. The deployment domain accounts for 30% of the exam, configuration for 30%, management and troubleshooting for 25%, and integration for 15%. In this video, we'll break down what you can expect to learn in each of these domains. In the deployment domain, you'll learn how to implement and deploy Firepower Threat Defense and Firepower Management Center across various architectures and modes. This includes deploying Firepower Threat Defense device in routed mode and transparent mode, configuring interface types such as inline, passive, tap, inline tap, and ERSPN, and setting up physical and logical interfaces like subinterfaces and ether channels. You'll also learn about Firepower deployment options for physical and virtual platforms, how to implement Firepower Threat Defense high availability, and how to describe multi-instance and clustering on Firepower 4100 and 9300. Finally, you'll learn how to configure the initial setup of Firepower Management Center. In the configuration domain, you'll learn how to define and implement security policies, including access control, IPS, malware, and SSL/TLS inspection. This includes configuring access control policy and access control rules, implementing prefilter policies and DNS policies, and setting up intrusion prevention system policies and snort variables. You'll also learn how to implement malware and file policies for advanced malware protection, how to configure SSL/TLS decryption policies for encrypted traffic inspection, and how to set up network discovery and application visibility and control. Additionally, you'll learn how to implement URL filtering using static and category-based lookups, and how to configure NAT policies like static, dynamic, and manual NAT. In the management and troubleshooting domain, you'll learn how to monitor system health, analyze security events, and utilize diagnostic tools for Firepower Threat Defense and Firepower Management Center. This includes analyzing security events using Firepower Management Center dashboards and event viewers, configuring custom reporting and alerts, and performing packet captures and packet tracing for policy validation.